Welcome to Study Room. This video is on Post Office Guide Part 1 and it has more than 150 questions. Very useful for the postal exams. Happy to share. This video is 123rd video from Study Room. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed and just go to our channel and watch all the videos. Question number 1. Whether the night post office works on Sundays also? Option A, yes. Option B, yes, but excluding second Sundays. Option C, yes, but excluding second and fourth Sunday. Option D, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. Question number 2. As per PO Guide Part 1, whether mobile post office can operate savings bank transactions. Option A, yes. Option B, yes, but only SB account. Option C, no. Option D, yes, but only SB and RD account. The correct answer is option C, no. As per PO Guide, mobile post office cannot operate savings bank transactions. Question number 3. Hours during which business is transacted with the public and at the time at which mails are delivered and dispatched are conspicuously notified. At option A, work hours. Option B, public work hours. Option C, business time. Option D, business hours. The correct answer is business hours. Number 4. In stamp embossed envelope ILC postcard, can the additional postage stamps of requisite value can be affixed if postage required is more than embossed value? Option A, yes, only up to double the value. Option B, yes, can be affixed. Option C, yes, restricted to maximum of rupees 100. Option D, no, cannot be affixed. The correct answer is option B as per clause 10 of PO Guide. If additional postage is required, it can be affixed. So the correct answer is option B, yes, can be affixed. Question number 5. At how many places the licensed private firm can hand over the franked articles? Option A, 2 locations. Option B, any number of locations. Option C, only one location. Option D, maximum 5 locations. The correct answer is option A. As per clause 11, maximum 2 locations, the licensed private firm can hand over the article. Question number 6. Can the value impression franked more than once in the article? Option A, no. Option B, no such mention in PO Guide. Option C, yes. Option D, license impression can be multiple. The correct answer is option C, yes. Question number 7. If franked article found in letterbox, it shall be treated as option A, ordinary letters. Option B, in deposit letters. Option C, breach of condition. Option D, unpaid letters. The correct answer is option D, unpaid letter. This is as per clause 11. Number 8. Can the licensee of the franking machine impress advertisement on his articles? Yes, but it should be solely conform to business or profession of the licensee. Option B, yes, he can impress any advertisement. Option C, by advertising other product he can make money. Option D, no advertisement is permitted in franked articles. Listen carefully. The correct answer here is option A. Yes, but it should be solely conformed to business or profession of the licensee. So he can have advertisement of his own. Number 9. If already defaced stamp reused to transmission of postal article with intention of causing loss to the central government is offence under option A Indian Post Office Act, option B Constitution of India, option C the Indian Penal Code, option D Indian Stamp Act. The correct answer is option C clause 13. So go through C clause 13. As per clause 13, it is defined in Indian Penal Code also, that is defacing stamp is illegal. Question number 10. Manufacturing and use of fictitious postage stamp is punishable under option A section 143A of Indian Penal Code, option B section 243A of Indian Penal Code, option C section 263A of Indian Penal Code, option D section 363A of Indian Penal Code. The correct option is option C section 263A of Indian Penal Code. Question 11. Whether coin, bullion, precious stones, jewelry, articles of gold and silver and currency or banknotes can be sent by Indian Post. Option A. Cannot be sent by Indian Post. Option B. Can be sent by parcel only. Option C. Can be sent by obtaining license. Option D. Can be sent but must be insured. The correct answer is option D, can be sent but must be insured. Question number 12. I want to post article under certificate of posting. What shall I do? Option A, drop it in letterbox. Option B, superscribe as certificate of posting. Option C, service discontinued, cannot be posted. Option D, present in counter. The correct answer is option C, service discontinued, cannot be posted. Number 13. As per clause 23, the postage stamps should be affixed at option A, right hand top corner of the address side, option B, right hand side of the address side, option C, left hand top corner of the address side, D, anywhere in the address side. The correct answer is option A, right hand top corner of the address side. The postage stamp always must be affixed at the right hand top corner of the address side. Question number 14. Application received after affixing prescribed fee for recalling of the article, but later the applicant changed mind, seek refund of fee paid for recall. Option A, a fee can be refunded. Option B, fee can be refunded if the customer not yet left the counter. Fee can be refunded if claimed within a day. Option D, cannot be refunded. You can read the question once again. The application received after affixing prescribed fee for recalling of article, but later the applicant changed his mind, seek refund of fee paid for recall. Once the fee paid for recall cannot be refunded. So the correct option is option D, cannot be refunded. Question number 15. Delivery of postal article to Pardhanasin woman. Option A, can be delivered with the help of post woman. Option B, can be made with attestation by witness known to postman. Option C, cannot be delivered unless she shows her face. Option D, can be delivered to the family members. The correct answer is can be made with attestation by witness to known to postman. means delivery can be made with attestation by witness known to postman. The correct answer is option B. Question number 16. Delivery of postal article received in damaged condition. Option A. Postman should deliver it by protected cover. Option B. Should not be delivered to be returned to sender. Option C. Notice to be served to take delivery within 7 days. Option D. Should be destroyed in the presence of postmaster. The correct answer is option C. Notice to be served to take delivery within 7 days, and the delivery should be effected in the presence of postmaster. Question number 17. A parcel which does not exceed dash kg in weight except value payable parcel and those addressed to post restraint will be issued for delivery only once, and if it cannot be delivered through any cause on first presentation by the postman, it will be brought back to the post office and will not be issued again for delivery. So the option is option A 5 kg, option B 20 kg, option C 35 kg, option D 10 kg. The correct answer is option D 10 kg. The parcel weighing more than 10 kg will be issued for delivery only once. Number 18. An article insured for more than rupees dash will be delivered only at the post office window, intimation of arrival being sent by the post office to the addressee. Option A 100, option B 500, option C 1000, option D 5000. The correct answer is option B 500. Question number 19. If the addressee of an insured article after an intimation of its arrival has been delivered omits to take delivery of an article within the time specified in the intimation, it will be returned to the sender as option A unclaimed, option B left, option C deceased, option D refused. So here what is the correct remarks to be passed needs to be analyzed. The correct answer is option D refused. So with refused remarks we will return the article. These kind of articles can be posted in the letterbox. Options A packets, option B parcels, option C registered newspapers, option D franked articles. The correct option is option A packets. Question number 21. Article requires special treatment as per the clause 21 of PO Guide Part 1. Option A Directorate letter, option B Prime Minister Office letters, option C value payable, option D Members of Parliament letters. I will read the question again. Article requires special treatment. The correct answer is option C value payable as per clause 21 of PO Guide Part 1. Must be completely adherent to the article itself and not to any part of its content or any separate label or other device tied or attached to the article. It should be affixed to the right hand top corner of the address side. Options: address label, postage stamp, APCM receipt, acknowledgement card. The correct answer is option B postage stamp. Addressee of an article is not bound to pay the amount due on its to the post office if he does not want to take delivery of it. In this case, the word dash will be written by the postman across the cover. Option refused, unpaid, RTS, insufficiently paid. The correct answer is option A, refused. Where any postal article addressed to the post box number cannot be placed therein due to its size or for want of space in the box. Option A should be delivered through postman. Option B should be kept in post box. Option C delivered through peon in charge of post box. Option D intimation slip should be kept in the post box. The correct answer is option D, intimation slip should be kept in post box. If the renter of the post box does not clear it for a week, options A should be delivered through postman, B should be kept in deposit, C notice will be sent through postman, D notice will be sent through registered post. The correct answer is option D, notice will be sent through registered post. Fee for business reply card if applied on 1st July. Option A rupees 75, option B rupees 750, option C rupees 100, option D rupees 25. The correct answer is option A, rupees 75. In case of any breach of condition in business reply card, it is considered as options A refused, option B returned to sender, option C unpaid, option D insufficiently paid. The correct answer is option C unpaid. Complaints relating to loss or damage to a registered or insured article where a claim for compensation is made. Options A 12 months from date of postings, option B 9 months from date of posting, option C 6 months from date of postings, option D 3 months from date of posting. The correct answer is option D 3 months from date of posting. May contain bona fide trade patterns or samples or merchandise not having any saleable value together with or without. Any matter refers to which class of article? Option A patterns and sample packets, option B parcel, option C value payable parcel, option D registered parcel. The correct answer is option A pattern and sample packets. Registered articles addressed to students and inmates of educational institutes can be delivered to options students only, option B any staff of educational institutes, option C head of the institute or person duly authorized by him, option D intimation to be served to institute for window delivery. The correct answer is option C head of the institute or person duly authorized by him. India Post approved the following remotely managed franking systems. The OEMs are options A NPR, that is Neopost, Pitney Bowes, Ricoh. Option B NPF, that is Neopost, Pitney Bowes, Francotip, Postalia. Option C PRF, that is Pitney Bowes, Ricoh, Francotip, Postalia. Option D RFN, Ricoh, Francotips, Postalia and Neopost. The correct answer is option B, NPF, Neopost, Pitney Bowes, and Francotype Postalia. Franking will be allowed up to dash amount. Option A, maximum of double the postage. Option B, maximum 3 digit, that is up to rupees 999. Option C, any value. Option D, actual value of the letter. The correct answer is option C, any value. facility of certificate of posting discontinued by Indian Post Office Third Amendment rule of dash year. Option A 2011, option B 2010, option C 2012, option D 2015. The correct answer is option A 2011. Subject to the provision of the clause, the sender of the postal article posted in India may have it withdrawn from the post or have its address altered, so long as the article. Please find odd one out. Option A has not been delivered to the addressee. Option B has not been confiscated or destroyed by the competent authorities of the country in which the article may be or time being. Option C has not been seized by virtue of any law of the country of destination. Option D has not been issued to postman for delivery. The correct answer is option D has not been issued to postman for delivery. These kinds of article will not be delivered to the addressee unless and until he or his agent authorized in writing has signed a receipt for it. Option A blind literature, option B speed post, option C registered letters, option D parcels. The correct answer is option C registered letters. Postage due on inland letters cards called Forces letter and green envelopes is prepared under special arrangements. No recovery will be made at the time of delivery from the addressee of Forces letters and green envelopes. This facility is exclusively for option A President of India, option B letters from Prime Minister office, option C letters of members of public, that is MP and MLA, option D defense personnel. The correct answer is option D defense personnel. Analyze these statements. A. Customers cannot refuse to take article for delivery when presented by postman. B. The renter will not have any right to get delivery through the postbox of any article addressed to him without the postbox number. Options. A is correct and B is wrong. Option B. A is wrong and B is correct. Option C. Both A and B are correct. Option D. Both A and B are wrong. The correct answer is option B. A is wrong and B is correct. The postbox holders who receives a large quantity of mails which cannot be conveniently put into the postbox may rent an additional postbox on the same terms and condition, but with the option same postbox number, option B with the new postbox number, option C with sub number in alphabet, option D post bag. The correct answer is option A same postbox number. Instructions received from addressee authorizing the post office to deliver articles or pay money orders to persons other than themselves should be treated as lapsed after a time limit of dash years unless renewed within that time. Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option 3 3 years, option D half year, that is 6 months. The correct answer is option C 3 year. Book packet may contain option A parchments, option B printed music books, option C cardboard, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Book packet may contain option A newspaper, option B greeting cards, option C bills, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Book packet containing complimentary cards like New Year greetings should not have dash numbers of words or initial of complimentary nature. Option A, one word. Option 2, two words. Option C, five words. Option D, no such restrictions. The correct answer is option C, five words. Book packet may contain option A, quotations and price list of product. Option B, printed notices for insurance companies. Option C, map and drawings. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Book packet cannot contain option A, deeds. Option B, power of attorney. Option C, photograph. Option D, court summons. The correct answer is option D, court summons. Whether the written letters of old date which have previously passed through the post and served their original purpose can be sent in book packet. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, yes, but with the prior permission of postmaster. Option D, yes, but with prior permission of the divisional head. The correct answer is option A, yes. Book packet may contain option A, pupils exercise. Option B, horoscope. Option C, licenses. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Why the greeting cards and invitation should be superscribed on the cover along with book packet. Option A, to identify it as second class mail and transmit through second class mails. Option B, to consider it as first class mail. Option C, to give surface transmission along with first class mail. Option D, to check whether it contains any communication. The correct answer is option C, to give surface transmission along with first class mails. Book packet cannot contain option A, communication of the nature of letter. Option B, communication having the character of personal communication. Option C, currency notes. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Article containing superscription as postcard posted as book packet. Option A, it can be sent as book post as its tariff is more than postcard. It can be transmitted by charging the double the efficiency of book packet. Option C, cannot be transmitted as book packet. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is option C, cannot be transmitted as book packet. Maximum weight of the article that can be sent under book packet is option A, 2 kg, option B, 4 kg, option C, 5 kg, option D, 20 kg. The correct answer is option C, 5 kg. Maximum dimension of book packet other than roll form can be option A, 30 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 40 centimeter. Option B, 60 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Option C, 30 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 60 centimeter. Option D, 60 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 30 centimeter. The correct answer is option B, 60 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Read the statement. A. A book packet must be posted without a cover or in an unfastened envelope or in a cover which can be easily removed for the purpose of examination without breaking any seal. B. If the book packet is found to be in excess of either the prescribed size or prescribed weight, it shall be returned to the sender. Option A, A is correct, B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong, B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Option D, both A and B is wrong. The correct answer is option C, both A and B is correct. If breach of condition found in book packet other than weight and size, it should be treated as option A, letter or parcel, option B, letter, option C, parcel, option D, return to sender. The correct answer is option A, letter or parcel. Book packet can avail special rate as book packet containing printed book only when option A, superscribed as printed book, option B, not published at regular intervals, option C, printed book containing without advertisement, option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Read the statement. A book packet containing printed book shall contain the name of the printer or publisher. B. It can contain one written communication but not more than 10 words. Option A. A is correct, B is wrong. Option B. A is wrong, B is correct. Option C. Both A and B is correct. Option D. Both A and B is wrong. Option A. A is correct, B is wrong. Maximum weight of the book packet containing printed books. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. Correct answer is option C 5 kg. If book packet has to be considered as book packet containing periodicals, it should fulfill this condition. Option A registered with RNI. Option B RNI registered number must be printed either on front or back page. Option C both A and B. Option D neither A and B. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Maximum weight of book packet containing periodicals. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. The correct answer is option C 5 kg. A pattern or sample packet posted unpaid is charged on delivery with option A double the deficiency, option B double the postage, option C double the parcel rate, option D single postage. The correct answer is option B double the postage. An insufficiently prepaid pattern or sample packet is charged on delivery with option A double the deficiency, option B double the postage, option C double the parcel rate, option D single postage. Answer is double the deficiency. Pattern or sample packet shall not contain option A personal communication, option B any saleable value, option C both A and B, option D neither A and B. Correct answer is option C both A and B. 3. Maximum weight can be sent under the pattern or sample packet. Option A 2 kg, option B 4 kg, option C 5 kg, option D 20 kg. The correct answer is option A 2 kg. Read the statement. A. Pattern and sample packet must be properly protected and sent in closed condition only. B. Pattern and sample packet can be sent in such a way that it can be opened for inspection. Option A. A is correct, B is wrong. Option B. A is wrong and B is correct. Option C. Both A and B is correct. Option D. Both A and B is wrong. Correct answer is option B. A is wrong, B is correct. Blind literature packets are exempted from payment of this fee. Option A registration fee, option B fee for acknowledgement, option C payment of postage, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Blind literature packets are exempted from payment of this fee. Option A registration fee, option B fee for acknowledgement, option C payment of postage, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Blind literature packets are not exempted from payment of this fee. Option A, registration fee. Option B, fee for acknowledgement. Option C, payment of postage. Option D, air surcharge. The correct answer is option D, air surcharge. Blind literature can contain option A, braille script. Option B, CD containing blind literature. Option C, periodicals in braille script. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is again all the above. Blind literature cannot contain communication except option A, table of content. Option B, key or instructions to use special type. Option C, label for return of packet. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Blind literature claiming concession in postage should have inscription on top of the outside cover as option A, blind contents. Option B, literature for the blind. Option C, free transmission for blind. Option D, special transmission for blind. The correct answer is option B, literature for the blind. How the blind literature should be posted by a person. Is it in a closed cover or open cover? Option A, blind literature always in a closed cover and content should be declared. Option B, blind literature always in closed cover and superscription literature for the blind on the cover is enough. Option C, blind literature should be posted either without a cover or in a cover open at both ends, which can easily be removed for the purpose of examination. Option D, blind literature should be sent through transparent closed cover. The correct answer is option C. Blind literature should be posted either without a cover or in a cover open at both ends, which can easily be removed for the purpose of examination. Maximum weight of the blind literature can be option A 7 kg, option B 10 kg, option C 4 kg, option D no weight limit. The correct answer is option A 7 kg. Minimum weight limit of blind literature should be option A 50 grams, option B 20 grams, option C 7 kg, option D no minimum weight limit. The correct answer is option D no minimum weight limit prescribed. The dimension of blind literature can be option A same as letter, option B same as book packet, option C same as parcel, option D no dimension limitation for blind literature. The correct answer is option B same as book packets. Plates bearing a character of writing sound records for the use of blind and disc films, tapes and wires on which spoken message for the blind have been recorded when sent by or addressed to an officially recognized institution for the blind shall be treated as blind literature. This clause is given as exception to option A, size and dimension clause, option B for inspection clause, option C for postage clause, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A, size and dimension clause. In case of breach of condition in blind literature found, postmaster should tax it by considering it as option A letter, option B parcel, option C book packet, option D letter or parcel postage, whichever is less. The correct answer is option D letter or parcel postage, whichever is less. Blind literature weighing 600 grams found containing personal communication inside it. Postmaster tax it for option A rupees 150, option B rupees 19, option C rupees 35, option D rupees 15. The correct answer is option C rupees 35. Blind literature weighing 600 grams, the sender wants it to be airlifted. What is the postage to be affixed? Option A, rupees 12. Option B, rupees 13. Option C, rupees 14. Option D, rupees 15. The correct answer is option B, rupees 13. Blind literature sent by Rotary Club to blind student weighing 20 grams. Whether it is allowed. Option A, yes. It is sent to blind student. Option B, no. It should be sent by blind person, can be received by anybody. Option C, no. It should be sent by blind person or institution for a blind to other blind person or institution only. Option D, blind literature should be posted only institution for blind. The correct answer is option C. No, it should be sent by blind person or institution for blind to other blind person or other institution for blind only. One of the important conditions for considering periodicals and newspaper as registered newspaper is it should be printed at the regular intervals of not more than dash days. Option A 30 days, option B 31 days, option C 60 days, option D 90 days. The correct answer is option B 31 days. To apply for registered newspaper, it should have option A, registered under RNI. Option B, published at regular intervals of 31 days. Option C, should have bona fide subscriber. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Whether the supplement of newspaper can be considered as part of registered newspaper. Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. The conditions to consider the supplements of the newspaper as part of registered newspaper is option A, contains only or part of the news matter and not fully having advertisements. Option B, title and date of publication of the newspaper is published in each page of the supplement copies. Option C, date of the newspaper and supplement bearing same date. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is again all the above. The registered newspaper found with this enclosure will be treated as book packet. Option A, an advertisement sheet printed for an advertiser and sent to the publisher of the newspaper for distribution with it. An advertisement sheet with an order form attached, a prospectus with an application form attached, or a proposal inquiry form. Option C, any document drawn up in the form of direct personal communication to the recipient, such as printed circular in the form of letter purporting to be addressed to a person by whom the newspaper in which it is enclosed is received. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Here, the first one speaks about advertisements only. The second one speaks about advertisement sheets or enquiry forms and application forms like this. Option C speaks about communication inside the registered newspapers. The registered newspaper license valid for option A, 1 financial year, option B, 1 calendar year, option C, 3 financial year, option D, 3 calendar year. The correct answer is option D, 3 calendar year. The registered newspapers will have dash numbers of license numbers printed on the first or last page of the registered newspaper. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D no need to print license number. The correct answer is option B 2, that is one is RNI and another one is given by the divisional head. What is the minimum tariff for the registered newspaper? Option A 15 paise, option B 25 paise, option C 50 paise, option D 75 paise. The correct answer is option B 25 paise. In case of publisher of the registered newspaper could not post on the approved date, he should seek approval for posting on other day from option A. Postmaster of the Office of Posting, option B. In charge of the concerned mail office, option C. Divisional head, option D. Regional postmaster. The correct answer is option C. Divisional head. Whether the registered newspaper bundle should be open for inspection or can be sent in a closed bag. Option A. Yes, it can be sent in a closed bag also, but content to be declared. Option B. No, it can be bundled but should be easily available for inspection. The correct answer is option B. It should be easily available for inspection. Can the publisher of the registered newspaper can post to the new subscriber the backdated registered newspaper on the concession rate? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. The backdated registered newspaper can also be posted by the registered newspaper for a new subscriber but should be presented only to the window. Parcel may contain option A no communication, option B single communication, option C maximum two communications, option D any number of communications. The correct answer is option B single communication. If more than one communication found in a parcel, option A, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. Option B, each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage. Option C, each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the parcel postage. Option D, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the ILC postage. The correct answer is option A, that is, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. When more communication found in parcel while calculating the due amount, whether the postage paid to parcel will be considered or not. Option A will be considered, option B will not be considered, option C at the discretion of the postmaster, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B will not be considered. When more than one communication found in parcel, it has to be taxed, and the receiver has to pay the taxed amount to receive the parcel along with all communication which are taxed. If receiver fails to collect, then option A, the entire parcel will be returned to sender and he has to pay. Option B, the entire parcel will be sent to RLO. Option C, the parcel will be delivered to the receiver without the communications found inside. Option D, delivery postmaster can decide the action to be taken. The correct answer is option A, the entire parcel will be returned to the sender along with all the communication and he has to pay. If more than one communication found in official parcel, option A, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the letter postage. Option B, each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage. Option C, each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the parcel postage. Option D, each communication shall be charged on delivery with double the ILC postage. The correct answer is option B. Each communication shall be charged on delivery with single the letter postage because it is an official communication. The maximum weight of unregistered parcel can be option A 2 kg, option B 3 kg, option C 4 kg, option D 5 kg. The correct answer is option C 4 kg. Maximum weight of URP which can be posted in letterbox. Option A less than 500 grams. Option B less than 1 kg. Option C less than 2 kg. Option D cannot be posted in letterbox. The correct answer is option D cannot be posted in letterbox. Minimum weight of the parcel should be option A 50 grams, option B 500 grams, option C 4 kg, option D no minimum weight limit is prescribed. The correct answer is option D. No minimum weight limit is prescribed. This is for transmission of parcel through post. Minimum chargeable weight of the parcel will be option A 50 grams, option B 500 grams, option C 4 kg, option D no minimum weight limit is prescribed. The correct answer is option B 500 grams. Here we are asking about chargeable weight of the parcel. You can compare with the previous questions, that is about transmission, here about chargeable weight. What is PNOP? Option A Project National Operation Parcel, option B Parcel New Operational Project, option C Parcel Network Operational Project, option D Parcel Network Optimization Project. The correct answer is option D Parcel Network Optimization Project. The parcel weighing more than 4 kg received for transmission through post has to be option A compulsorily booked as speed parcel, option B compulsorily registered, option C booked as business parcel, option D cannot be transmitted as parcel. The correct answer is option B compulsorily registered. In branch post offices, parcel weighing up to dash kg can be booked. Option A 4 kg, option B 5 kg, option C 10 kg, option D 20 kg. It is option C 10 kg. Maximum weight up to which parcel can be booked at departmental post offices. Option A 5 kg, option B 10 kg, option C 20 kg, option D 35 kg. The correct answer is option C 20 kg. Read the statement. Option A. After PNOP, the parcel is considered as premium product. Option B. As per PNOP, all the parcel has to be compulsorily registered and barcode to be affixed for tracking. Option A is correct, but option B is wrong. B. Option A is wrong, but option B is correct. C. Both A and B is correct. D. Both A and B is wrong. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B is wrong. Even after PNOP, parcel is not considered as premium product. The same category of URP registered parcel continues, and there is no need for all the parcel to be registered. URP is still being continued. Length of the parcel should not exceed option A half meter, option B 1 meter, option C 1.5 meter, option D 2 meter. The correct answer is option B 1 meter. Length and width of the parcel combined should not exceed option A 1.5 meter, option B 1 meter, option C 1.8 meter, option D 2 meters. The correct answer is option C 1.8 meter. Here it is both length and width combined. Can the liquid item can be transmitted by parcel? Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is option A yes. as per clause 147. Many people get confused here. It's very interesting. Can the live bees can be transmitted by parcel? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. The packing conditions are given in detail in PO guide. Very interesting. Can the human internal organs can be transmitted by parcel? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. So please go through in detail about PO guide. When the sender of a parcel or messenger decide to use stamps for postage. Option A, sender or messenger has to affix stamps on parcel. Option B, postal official should not affix stamp on parcel. Option C, postal official can only sell the required stamp across the counter. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. If any parcel found posted in letterbox, option A, it will not be transmitted further. Option B, it will be returned to sender. Option C, it will be sent to RLO. Option D, it will be booked as registered parcel and due will be collected. The correct answer is option D. It will be booked as registered parcel and due will be collected. If parcel with liquid item presented in the counter without proper packing as prescribed in PO guide, whether it will be transmitted by post. Option A, no, it will not be transmitted if not properly packed. Option B, liquid item cannot be transmitted by post. Option C, postal official should ensure proper packing then transmit. Option D, hand over to postmaster and postmaster has to arrange for proper packing. The correct answer is option A. No, it will not be transmitted if not properly packed. What is the tariff of parcel weighing 550 grams? Option A, rupees 19. Option B, rupees 35. Option C, rupees 16. Option D, rupees 38. The correct answer is option B, rupees 35. What is the tariff of a parcel URP weighing 5,550 grams? Option A, rupees 195. Option B, 192. Option C, 179. Option D cannot be transmitted as URP. The correct answer is option D, cannot be transmitted as URP. Whether the valuable like gold jewelries can be sent through parcel service. Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes, it can be sent. What is the full form of RMFS? Option A, remotely managed franking software. Option B, remotely managed franking system. Option C, rapid machine franking system. Option D, remotely machine franking system. The correct answer is remotely managed franking system. When was RMFS introduced in India Post? Option A, 16/8/2008. Option B, 16/8/2009. Option C, 16/8/2010. Option D, 16/8/2011. The correct answer is option C, 16/8/2010. Dash is a person, a firm or a company performing the work of sending article through a post office on behalf and in the name of third party for mutually agreed remuneration. Option A, register. Option B, post office. Option C, postmaster. Option D, mailing agent. The correct answer is option D, mailing agent. Dash is a person, firm or a company performing the work of sending through post office on behalf of third party but in the name of register on mutually agreed remuneration. Option A, register. Option B, post office. Option C, postmaster. Option D, mailing agent. The correct answer is option A, register. Who will be the license issuing authority for RMFS? Option A, CPMG. Option B, PMG. Option C, divisional head. Option D, manager, BPC. The correct answer is option C, divisional head. Who can be the license issuing authority for RMFS? Option A, Independent Gazetted Postmasters. Option B, Director GPO of Mumbai, Calcutta and New Delhi. Option C, Divisional Head. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Along with new license issuing, the license issuing authority for RMFS has a power to option A, renew, B, suspend, C, cancel, D, all the above. The correct answer is D, all the above. The license issuing authority has power to renew, suspend or cancel. What is the full form of DCR in respect of RMFS SOP? Option A, Department of Post Central Resource. Option B, Department Cash Remitting. Option C, Direct Cash Rating. Option D, Direct Cash Remitting. The correct answer is option A, Department of Post Central Resource. The funds are secured through a special device known as Dash, which is not open to repair, that forms an integral part of franking machine and is completely tamper-proof, and funds registered cannot be changed by any means, physically or electronically. This requires no mechanical sealing. That unit is called option A, Postal Stock Depot. Option B, Postal Security Device. Option C, Prime Supply Device. Option D, Price Security Device. The correct answer is option B, Postal Security Device. What is the full form of OEMs mentioned in RMFS SOP? Option A, Office of Exchange Management. Option B, Online Easy Management. Option C, Online Expenditure Management. Option D, Original Equipment Manufacturers. The correct answer is option D, Original Equipment Manufacturers. One of the main conditions of India Post for approving procurement of RMFS from OEMs is option A, OEMs should be an Indian company. OEMs should have dedicated server in India. OEMs should be registered under Indian Company Act. OEM should be listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. The correct answer is option B. OEM should have dedicated server in India. A designated officer in the rank of director who shall be a single point of contact to the manufacturer OEM's RMFS center and perform such function as assigned to him in this operating procedure. About whom we are talking? Option A, register. Option B, OEMs. Option C, DCR. Option D, CEPT. Once again, I will read the question. Question number 12. A designated officer in the rank of director who shall be a single point of contact to the manufacturer or OEMs of RMFS. So, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, DCR. A designated post office DPO for accepting franked article should be option A, any post office. Option B, HOs. Option C, LSG and above. Option D, double-handed office and above. The correct answer is option D, double-handed office and above. Customer reference number will be unique number and shall be issued by license issuing authority to the licensee of franking machine, which is nothing but option A, customer identification number, option B, license number, option C, license identifier number, option D, authorized posting office number. The correct answer is option B, license number. The first digit of license identifier number will have an alpha digit, which indicates option A, category of PO public mail office selected for posting the franked articles. Option B, first letter of the division name to identify licensing authority. Option C, first letter of OEMs. Option D, first letter of the district where RMFS is installed. The correct answer is option C, first letter of OEMs. That is, if P is given, it is Pitney Bowes. N is given, it is Neopost, like that. Dash is the name given by India Post to the new facility of ranking based on RMFS. Option A, DigiFrank. Option B, RMFS. Option C, DigiFrank Plus. Option D, DOP Frank. The correct answer is option C, DigiFrank Plus. The fee for applying for DigiFrank Plus license is option A, rupees 75, option B, rupees 175, option C, rupees 275, option D, rupees 375. The correct answer is option D, rupees 375. The periodicity for which the fee for DigiFrank Plus license valid for. Option A, 1 year, option B, 2 years, option C, 3 years, option D, 5 years. The correct answer is option D, 5 years. The licensing authority shall issue the license after verification of the particulars as per checklist given in Annexure B and satisfying himself about the genuineness of the application, procurement of the module of the machine approved by the Department of Post, and payment of fee of license. The verification may be carried out through field staff, SDIP, ASPs, PRIPs, etc. No verification shall be necessary in the case of the applicant being a option A, central oblique state government office, option B, nationalized bank, option C, cooperative bank, option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. The certificate of license will be issued by option A, CPMG, option B, PMG, option C, division head, option D, BPC. The correct answer is option C, division head. The licensing authority shall issue the certificate of license within dash working days from the date of receipt of application for issue of license. Option A, 10, option B, 30, option C, 45, option D, 60. The correct answer is option A, 10 days. After the license have been issued, the franking machine user shall also deposit an advance for first setting for minimum amount of dash into the branch of the designated bank, presently only State Bank of India, or through any post office having e-payment facility. The amount is option A, rupees 1000, option B, rupees 2000, option C, rupees 5000, option D, rupees 10,000. The correct answer is option B, rupees 2000. Additional surcharge to be collected if renewal of RMFS not done before expiry. Option A, rupees 50, option B, rupees 100, option C, rupees 375, option D, rupees 10. The correct answer is option B, rupees 100. The licensing authority should renew the license within dash days if all documents and required information provided by franking machine users Option A, same day. Option B, within 3 days. Option C, within 5 days. Option D, within 15 days. The correct answer is option C, within 5 days. The license number may be cancelled after expiry of dash months from the date of expiry of the license if licensee has not applied for renewal. However, a notice in this regard will be issued to the licensee giving 15 days notice to explain why license should not be cancelled. Option A, 3 months. Option B, 5 months. Option C, 6 months. Option D, 12 months. The correct answer is option A, 3 months. Minimum amount of advance payment for subsequent deposit for resetting of franking machine will be dash plus multiples of rupees 100. Option A, rupees 100. Option B, rupees 1000. Option C, rupees 2000. Option D, rupees 5000. The correct answer is option B, rupees 1000. Payment of amount of uploading the credits in franking machines may be made at dash banks branches and post office having e-payment facility. Option A, all nationalized bank. Option B, IPPB. Option C, State Bank of India. Option D, RBI. The correct answer is option C, State Bank of India. Whenever there is revision in postal rates, who should incorporate the changes so that franking machine user can frank with correct tariff? Option A, DCR. Option B, CEPT. Option C, licensing authority. Option D, vendor. The correct answer is option D, vendor. The franking machine has to compulsorily dial the RMFS server at least once within dash days. Option A, 7 days. Option B, 15 days. Option C, 30 days. Option D, 60 days. The correct answer is option C, 30 days. What is the full form of SOM referred in RMFS? Option A, stock of machine. Option B, status of machine. Option C, statement of machine. Option D, statement of mailing. The correct answer is option D, statement of mailing. Statement of mailing will have 2 meter reading, which is called as option A, upper and lower. Option B, ascending and descending. Option C, right and wrong. Option D, cash and check. The correct answer is option B, ascending and descending. If the franking machine doesn't dial the RMFS server within the stipulated time period of 30 days, it gets dash and shall be unlocked only when it is dials the RMFS server and uploads its data. Option A, cancelled. Option B, notice. Option C, blocked. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option C, blocked. The frank impression color will be option A, red. Option B, blue. Option C, black. Option D, any color. The correct answer is option B, blue. After the day franking is over and all the mails is ready for dispatch, the franking machine user shall print dash copies of statement of mailing from the franking machine. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option B, 2. The barcode image printed along with frank can be read through. Option A, 1D scanner. Option B, 2D scanner. Option C, 3D scanner. Option 4, 4D scanner. The correct answer is option B, 2D scanner. Franked articles franked from one RMFS machine can be accepted in dash number of designated post offices or mail offices or field post office. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 1 PO and 1 mail office. Option D, any number of office. Option A, 1 is the correct answer. If Customer wants his franked articles to be accepted in more than one designated post office, mail office, field post office. Then he can hand over articles in any post office. B. Apply for permission from licensing authority. Option C. He can utilize multiple RMFS machine, one machine mapped to one unit. Option D. Not possible. The correct answer is option C. He can utilize multiple RMFS machine, one machine mapped to one unit. Maximum amount for which frank can be done. Option A 2 digit only. Option B 3 digits only. Option C maximum 5 digit only. Option D any amount. The correct answer is option D any amount. All frank impression for the purpose of prepayment of postage must be made on right top corner of the address side of the postal article itself, or a wrapper or label firmly pasted on it. Option A right top corner, option B right corner, option C right side, option D left top corner. The correct answer is option A right top corner. Franked article should be handed over to the designated post office, mail office, field office on option A working day, option B assigned day, option C same day, option D any day. The correct answer is option C same day. What is the maximum amount of rebate allowed for franking machine user? Option A 2%, option B 3%, option C 5%, option D 10%. The correct answer is option B 3%. What is the minimum consumption frank should have been made by franking machine user to claim rebate? Option A 5,000, option B 10,000, option C 20,000, option D 50,000. The correct answer is option A 5,000. An additional dash rebate will be allowed on presentation of pin code wise sorted frank mails as per condition prescribed by the Department of Post. Option A 1%, option B 2%, option C 3%, option D 4%. The correct answer is option B 2%. Refund will be made for any impression made in error on surrendering the envelope or wrappers, provided that the impression is legible and that its claim is prepared within 1 month of the date of impression. The refund will be provided after deducting of dash percent of face value. Option A 1%, option B 2%, option C 4%, option D 5%. The correct answer is option D 5%. Whether advertisement can be franked along with value. Option A yes, option B no. The correct answer is yes. In case of licensee refuses to pay the amount of postage due for Department of Post, it will be liable to recovered as land revenue under the provision of Indian Post Office Act of dash. Option A 1854, option B 1898, option C 1933, option D 2018. The correct answer is option B 1898. The new technology franking machine offers a secure, unique and digital frank and does not rely on mechanical seal used earlier. The funds are secured through a special device known as dash, which is not open to repair, that forms an integral part of franking machine and is completely tamper proof, and fund register cannot be changed by any means, physically or electronically. This requires no mechanical sealing. Option A postal security device, option B postal license device, option C postal security die, option D postal license die. The correct answer is postal security device. Option A. Nodal office for RMFS in India Post. Option A CEPT, option B New Delhi GPO, option C Pitney Bowes, Option D, Directorate. The correct answer is option B, New Delhi GPO. This OEMs of franking machine approved under RMFS in India Post. Option A, Pitney Bowes. Option B, Neopost. Option C, Francotype Postalia. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Franking can be done for this kind of articles. Option A, ordinary mails. Option B, accountable mails. Option C, parcels. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. If you have not subscribed Study Room yet, please subscribe and click on the bell button to get the latest notification. Thank you.